What's up, YouTube? It's Dean Charles Anthony II, your favorite seasonal YouTube photographer, back again. We're doing another unboxing. I told y'all we got a couple of camera bags coming in because we're figuring out what we're going to have for 2024, busy year. So this huge box, which I'm actually kind of impressed, and I apologize if you hear my dog barking. There's no solution to that. But there is this huge box, right? So I just recently got delivered the Peter Mckinnon bag. So one, this is a huge box for it to come in. I'm actually a little bit surprised it's this big of a box, but we're gonna go ahead and get this unboxing going. You know, we're not gonna take too long for that. So we'll start. Just want y'all to see how big this box was. Oh, it's two boxes. That's why. They had a free gift. Nomatic was giving out a free gift when we also got that. So I'm gonna hide this paper with information on it, because that's my information. Then we're gonna start off with this. This is not the bag, but it's a gift bag they gave with like purchasing so much. So it's a free bag. I think it was like an option to get this free bag or free shipping. So what is this? I know I'm dragging this out for this Peter Mckinnon bag. Man. So just show y'all real quick. It's a pretty good deal. Also, just like the other bags I've gotten, this one was on sale. So regularly $400, got it for $300. So just want to give you that heads up. So yeah, you get a little Nomatic sling came with it, free with it. So that's not bad at all. I know no one. That's not the reason why you're here. So I ain't gonna waste the time. Now I am gonna pull out this bag. It is huge. So this is the 35 liter one, the biggest one they have to come in. So shout out for the pirate. All right, but shout out to them for sending such a nice packaging. You know, sometimes when you get packaging, things packaged, it's not packaged well, or the packaging is probably the place where they cut the most costs. So even having this water resistant bag, this is like giant Ziploc plastic. Like you could use this plastic bag for something else, but pulling it out. Boom, boom. This is the bag. Yeah, this is the bag. This thing is huge. It really is a big bag. So I was real hesitant on buying this bag, mainly because of the signature at the bottom, the Peter Mckinnon signature. And it's nothing against Peter, right? It's just that like camera bags are things that we got to protect and protect our gear. And so it's kind of a tale. I did want the bag, but that would make me hesitant. That's why I kind of try to avoid it a little bit. But based off current experiences, we were gonna go ahead and go. We're going for the best bang for our buck. We want to make sure everything's safe. That's a very cushy piece. So this is the bag. We just do a quick little turnaround of it. So boom, boom. I've seen this. Y'all probably have all seen this on YouTube. It's been around for a while. They actually came out with even another additional bag right now. But just some cool features. Got all the Peter branding and all that jazz. So let's just go through it real quick and see what we're going to start with. So we can start with this side piece, right? So side, we have the... You know, you see this stuff on YouTube all the time, but like it's different when you see it in person. Like this is a lot of cushion back here. But you see the side view, this is where you can get a quick pull of your camera. And like with everything I've ever bought, I'm going to be using this immediately to get a feel for it. So I'm actually flying to another state tomorrow. So for a little 3-day trip for work. So I'll be using this bag for that. So looking at the top, this is definitely a travel bag. So this is where you can put clothes, put things right here. One thing I think that is cool about it, this is, and I'm sorry y'all, this is all the camera room I'm gonna be able to give right now. But you can, this is a multi like storage location. So like you can rip this off for storage, all that jazz. That's cool. Closing this. ESPN going off on my phone, forgot to silence. Close this up. This is pretty quick. We got this up here, a nice little like another bag space that you can put it. Oh, it's 2 pockets. Okay, it's two pockets in here. So you got one. I'm not sure if y'all can see it. Like 2 pockets. That's pretty cool right now. And also, this is like a pretty sturdy material. I feel like this might be a bad example, but like it feels like a boot. Like a good waterproof boot. That's what it kind of reminds me of, the texture and everything. They're gonna be like, block this video. This man is calling our $400 bag and a waterproof boot. All right, and just go into the back real quick. There you go. I'm clamping this. So really, which I gotta see how these feel. It's not the softest. Yeah, it's kind of stiff. It's sturdy. It feels safe, but it's definitely a stiff strap. So I'll try this long. One thing I always appreciate about bags right now, because I travel, is you having this slot right here, so you can just have a roller. That's always nice. See if there's anything at the bottom. Got a lot of handles. Handles here, handle there. What is this? I don't know. Okay, this is anti-mold chip thing. I don't know what this is. It came in the box. I'll get to the other side real quick. And so another cool feature, this is the water bottle tripod holder. And it's magnet, which is cool. Keep it flat, so that's out the way. Let's get into the back of this. All right, so our first rip of these, this zipper, it's a stiff zipper. It's not the smoothest thing. It's a strong zipper. Like, I'm using some elbow strength here. This made me remember about when I was trying to pop them that black dish open for the first time. Boom, boom. All right, so this is the opening for the back. That's cool. So pretty big on the inside. Let's see, it showed this part. So nice. These are pretty. Oh, this is a different feel. So like this is all kind of like soft and sturdy. The shells here. Oh, it came with some straps for the bag. You can hook stuff in there. The shells here are. This is an interesting material. So what I'm used to with shells is kind of like, this is definitely like hot. It's soft and hard in a different place, if that makes sense. I don't know, I gotta think about how to really explain this. So it feels like most like shelving in like a bag is like soft, but it's like a cardboard or something material in there. It's like they went for, let's not have the cardboard material, let's have like a soft, basically a very sturdy, soft material. That's what it kind of feels like. And it comes with these 5 dividers too, and then this still cushiony. Part of the reason why I'm kind of going for these bigger bags overall is because like I still do a lot of photography with off-camera flash. What's mainly what I do is off-camera flash outside of like editorial work. So with this space up here, I know I can fit a light in here and then fit the rest of the stuff, whatnot. But this is that inside of the bag. We're gonna flip to this other side. So interesting thing. Actually, I wonder how deep this is. So we have like, you can slide in different material, all that jazz. A very strong Velcro. If it'll fine. I want to see how far deep this go down. So this doesn't go down till, I'm not sure. Y'all can see where my hand is. This is about as deep as this go in. Down. So I guess you could put like an iPad or something right there, because the camera hold, the laptop hold is in the back right here. So it's like an easy access, which is kind of cool. So like I said, these zippers these some strong zippers. I don't know if I like it or not. Also, nice piece of the zipper. It also has like room for you can put a lock, so a little more safety right there. I told y'all, I like how this bag look, but buying a bag from with someone's name on it, like that's known in the photography industry, or like at least this YouTube space, for real, which is both, does make me nervous. So this is a pretty big slide. This is very soft in here. This feels like a different type of soft than what's on the inside. So that's cool. Let me grab my laptop real quick, see if it'll fit. All right. Cool. So yeah, it'll fit. So that's is whatever the largest like M1 Mac Book Pro, a 16-inch I think it is, fits pretty nicely in there. Yeah, and this is okay. So I do feel like that's very secure. Well, what I'm used to, I keep saying normally, but what I'm used to is the laptop sleeve being on the inside. So like there's cushioning on the back, laptop sleeve, a laptop. Maybe an iPad slot, XYZ. The iPad slot is on the inside this laptop sleeve, but it's like its own like separate like book bag department. I know I'm saying it over again, but this feels very separate from the rest of the bag, outside of the fact that it'll flip up with it. Like putting this in here, you can easily forget that your laptop is in here. That's how much like padding and stuff is around. All right, and then what we have here, this is kind of interesting. So like, this is like a very soft foam for the back of the, let me see if these slide back here for me. This is very, very like soft hard foam right here. So I'm actually also curious about how breathable it is. It's December right now, so like I'm probably not gonna like, I get hot everywhere, but I'm probably not gonna experience like really hot heat to tell y'all whether or not like it's really breathable. So we'll figure that out, but it should be fine. And then they have the up here at the bottom, the waist straps, which these are this is a huge buckle on this waist strap. This buckle just seems strangely large, but it's a buckle. So but we got that. Let me take this out before I forget. Now we have the real test, which I already know the answer is to this. Will this comfortably fit my R3, which is really the maker and breaker for a bag for me? My R5 and my R3 being able to fit in there comfortably. Boom, boom. Dun, dun. So this is deep. We have the R3 right here. Boom. Dun, dun. It sits a little bit above it, but we're gonna see. Let me see. Is this just because of how it's padded? We're gonna see. All right. Well, it fits like slightly above, but it's not like in the way. It's not like this is not concerning. Cause it's about the same level as like these zipper. Also, the size of this thing is so sturdy. I don't know what they made these sides with. This is probably the sturdiest side of a bag I've ever felt. So we're gonna close this up right here and figure it out. These zippers, okay, these zippers are a little tough. I ain't gonna lie, these are some stiff zippers. They probably just need to be used. That was a little smoother than initially. But boom, yeah. So R3 is in there. So that's all I got for this this video. It's an unboxing. I'm gonna use this, see how I like it, see how it fits, whatnot. Like I said, we're on this journey. I do plan on keeping these bags that I'm purchasing unless I just find something like I just find terrible about it. But yeah, so we got this. So this is bag number 2. I definitely got one more coming in, one from Wandered, coming in to figure out if I like that too. But we're in search for our bag for 2024. Once again, this is Dean Charles Anthony, your favorite seasonal YouTube photographer. If you have any questions, anything, if you have this bag, what are your thoughts and whatnot, throw it in the comments. But I hope you're having a great day. We are getting through these videos before the new year, and then we're going to be rolling. We got a story to tell. So y'all have a great day.